Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Regarding Islamic dietary directives, there are some clarifications which need to be made regarding the Islamic view of slaughter. What is the proper Islamic way of slaughtering an animal? Since there are certain deviations which are found and certain misconceptions which are found in this way of slaughter, it is in order that we lay out these conditions seriatim, and we actually state them one by one. Now, the first of these conditions is that the animal slaughtered is, the takbir must be taken on the animal which is to be slaughtered. Bismillah, Allahu Akbar are the words which have to be said while slaughtering an animal, and it is essential that these words have to be said. The second thing is that the person who slaughters an animal has to be a monotheist. He has to be a believer in one God. And the third thing is that the manner of slaughter should be such that the cut inflicted, the wound inflicted on the animal should be such that the animal dies of blood loss as a result of that wound. If these three conditions are met, we can safely say that the Islamic slaughter, the Islamic way of slaughter has been observed. However, we see that there are certain deviations in this regard. For example, one of these deviations is that the neck of an animal is cut off in one jerk, and it's separated, it's severed from the body. And another deviation is that the neck is twisted in such a manner that the animal dies early, and a lot of blood still remains in his veins. So therefore, this is also not proper. So we can say in a nutshell that these conditions must be observed if the Islamic way of slaughter is to be followed. And any of them, if any of them is missing, then we can say that the Islamic way of slaughter has not been properly observed. And in this regard, the deviations, for example, of cutting off an animal's neck in one go, in one jerk, that is also not allowed, because this would cause the blood in the body of the animal, it cause it to remain there. And the second thing is that if the neck of the animal is twisted such that its death occurs, in those instances also, we know that a lot of blood still remains in the veins of that animal, and therefore it cannot be consumed in such a state. So it is essential that we observe all these three conditions of slaughter in letter and in spirit. أقول قولي هذا واستغفر الله لي ولكم ولسائر المسلمين والمسلمات.